Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to export tracks from Basecamp. This is a question I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to share the answer with you. Before we get started, I want to say that this tutorial is for Basecamp, which is a desktop application from Garmin. If you're using a different mapping software, your process may be slightly different. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Basecamp. The first step is to open Basecamp. If you don't have Basecamp, you can download it from the Garmin website. Step 2. Select the tracks you want to export. Once you've opened Basecamp, you need to select the tracks you want to export. You can do this by clicking on the tracks in the left sidebar. Step 3. Click File, Export Selected User Data. Once you've selected the tracks you want to export, click File, Export Selected User Data. Step 4. Choose a save location and file format. In the Export Selected User Data dialog box, you can choose a save location and file format for your tracks. The default file format is GPX, which is a standard format for GPS tracks. Step 5. Click Save. Once you've chosen a save location and file format, click Save. Step 6. Open the exported file. Once you've exported your tracks, you can open the exported file in a variety of mapping software programs, such as Google Earth or Garmin Explore. That's it. You've successfully exported your tracks from Basecamp. Bonus tips. If you want to export all of your tracks, you can select the My Collection folder in the left sidebar before clicking File, Export Selected User Data. You can also export your tracks as a KML file, which is a Google Earth file format. To do this, simply select KML as your file format in Step 4. If you're having trouble exporting your tracks, make sure that Basecamp is closed before you try to export them. Exporting tracks from Basecamp is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to do this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.